everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you know, my name is Anas. I'm going to share about fear. If you want to improve your fear, so you should not shy front of all people. You should not shy from anyone. Yeah. Uh, what you think about all people when I will go to somewhere. After that, when I will speak front of all people, so so I cannot speak good front of all people. No matter if you will speak front of all people, so if you will speak front of all people broken, so your confidence will increase quickly. Because when you will speak broken English front of all people, so so your confidence will increase. Yeah, you should not fear front of all people. If you will fear front of all people, you cannot speak anyone front of anyone. So you have to speak front of anyone. Suppose which work are you doing in this time? After that, after that, which work are you doing in this time? After that, you are not doing your work with confidence. Will you work good or not? You will do your work not good because you did not work with confidence. If you will do work with confidence, so your work will be good. You have to understood these things. Confidence, it is very important thing. When you will have confidence, you can achieve easily anything because confidence, it is very important thing. Suppose, suppose if you will not believe yourself, if you will, if you will not believe yourself, which work you are going to do, which work you are going to do, but you are not believing yourself. So anybody cannot believe you. First of all, you have to believe yourself. Without believe yourself, you cannot do anything in this world. It is very important thing. Yeah, fear will remove automatically. You have to follow these habits. You have to follow these things. Yeah, because suppose you are going to do any work, and you will be thinking a lot. If I will not make good this work, if I will not do this work, so people so what people will think about me. You should not think about everyone. You should think only yourself. When I going to do this work, when I going to this work, so you have to understood these things. When I will do this work, after that I worked this, so I worked wrong this work. After that, you will learn a lot of things from this work because when you will do work not good, so after that you learn a lot of things because suppose suppose the troubles is coming in your life. The troubles is coming in your life. So what you learn from troubles. So you have to understood these things. Yeah, you should not give up. You should not give up in this time. Yeah, but but you have to believe yourself. You can say yourself. I have a lot of troubles, but I will never give up. It is, he will be real person in this world. He will be real hero in this world. So, so you can follow these things. Yeah, fear, fear you can remove easily. Yeah, fear you can remove easily. Suppose suppose I will tell you about fear some things. Suppose suppose you fear front of all people. Uh, you cannot talk. You cannot talk any girl. You cannot talk any person. So you are fearing. You have to say yourself. You have to say yourself, if I will fear in this time, I cannot do anything in this world. So you have to understood these things, because if you will because if you will because if you will go if you will go these if you will go to these habits, so you have to understood these things. Suppose if you are going to removing your hesitation, if you are going to remove your fear, so confidence will come quickly, but you are not understanding these things. Yeah, you can read about anything. Yeah, you can you can read about fear. You have to read a lot. If you will read a lot, your mind catch a lot of words. Yeah, it is very important thing. But some people understand, some people do not understand these things. You can remove your fear easily, but you are fearing again and again. Suppose you fear front of girl or man. You should not shy front of man or girl, because when you will talk to him after that, first of all, first time you will talk to him, you will hesitate little. After that, you will talk to him again. Your fear will remove automatically. Yeah, you can see these things, because I have seen these things many times. Yeah, so you should not shy front of all people. You should not shy front of all person. Yeah, so you have to understood these things. Fear it is not. Fear cannot. Fear you have to remove these habits, because fear is fear is very bad thing. Yeah. So thanks for watch my video. If you will like my video, so I will I will take I will take a lot of confidence. If you will share my video, I will feel good. So you have to subscribe my channel, everybody. Thanks for watching my video. I will meet you next video. Thank you.